Soccer is an exciting sport to watch. The thrill, the anxiety, the tears, the celebration. It's an experience you might not get in any other sport. But what goes behind the roller coaster entertainment ride is sheer hard work of players, managers, and team staff, continuously striving to bring their A game to the ground. Our client, a sports analytics company, wanted to assist soccer teams in accurately tracking and improving their performance using the power of AI and computer vision. And for this, they partnered with us. We developed and implemented a multi-camera system that located and tracked the soccer ball and players during a match in absolute world coordinates. Our solution generates detailed match analytics and per-player analytics to help teams understand and analyze their game and push them to the next level. Backed by our solution, our client even signed up a large European soccer team. Now that's what we call being goal-oriented. Glad we could help.